This could be one of the stable launch from Google with having little to small bugs that are not even noticeable, and some of them even get fixed with the first update we get right out of the box. But after 3 weeks, there is a lot you need to know about if you didn't have a Pixel 7 Pro, and if you have it, then you will agree with the things what I'm about to talk about. Some of the things are good and some issues that people are facing with their Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 7 Pro comes with a similar design like the last year, just adding an aluminum frame instead of a glass from last year. Let's be honest, this is a fingerprint magnet, and some of you guys might notice that the Pixel 7 Pro started getting scratches below the camera array, which is something Google needs to look at, and if you are facing a similar issue, the best thing you can do is get a case for your Pixel 7 Pro. The cameras are great on the Pixel 7 Pro, as always the case with the Pixel devices. The main 50 megapixel shooter is set to 12.5 megapixel shots with the Pixel binning. It takes a sharper image with the less noise and also taking a less storage space compared to the 50 megapixel. And this is the same case with the 48 megapixel telephoto shooter. All in all, you guys won't get any issues with the Pixel 7 Pro cameras. The fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 7 Pro is improved a lot compared to the Pixel 6 Pro. It is fast and accurate, and if you still feels it is not working better, then try to register single finger twice, then your fingerprint scanning issues will be gone. But we wish to have a face unlock just like Google did with the Pixel 4 XL, because the face unlock on the Pixel 7 Pro just uses a front-facing camera which is not safe by any means. Battery timing is good for Android users, but if you are coming from iPhone 13 Pro Max or iPhone 14 Pro Max, then yes, it didn't go up to that level, but Pixel 7 Pro has a decent battery backup. 6 hours of screen on time throughout the day and still left with 15 to 20% charge. One quick tip, try to use your Pixel devices on manual brightness mode, because if you go outside in sun, the 1500 nits peak brightness on the Pixel 7 Pro will eat the battery fast. The charging speed is okay, like 50% in 30 minutes. While nobody should complain about this because 50% in 30 minutes will drive you throughout your day with the 2 to 3 hours of screen on time. Google Pixel 7 Pro is actually a smartphone with having a Tensor Gen 2 chipset. It just feels smooth, works better than the last generation. If you play games occasionally, then it can get the job done. But if you are getting Pixel 7 Pro just for gaming, then you should consider a different phone, because this phone is not for you. All in all, this phone is a value to money device for $899, and if you are limited on budget, Pixel 7, the base model, is still a great deal to have. And if you want to see the issues on the Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.